This is a 2018 Toyota Avalon XLE. Has the window tint on it. The 17-inch rims with a machine face and kind of a dark gray insert. Got a good set of tires on it. Those are a touring all-season tires, so that's great. So you got the black leather. You have an armrest cup holder here, and there's a locking pass-through to get to the cargo area. You have your air vents. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You do get a power driver seat here. You have a pre-collision system alert. You can turn that on or off there. Traction control. There's your trunk pop. There's your Bluetooth. There's a lane change alert. 43,864 miles. Got your backup camera. AM, FM, XM radio. You have a dual zone automatic climate control system. Underneath here you do have a cubby hole with two 12-volt ports, USB and auxiliary. You got your heated seats, 3 different drive modes, eco, normal, and sport. Got a locking glove box with your owner's manual inside. Kind of a cool, I think it's black, but a dark wood grain accent across the dash. That follows all the way over here as well. You have your automatic headlights. There's your paddle shifters, intermittent wipers, push button start. Got a removable cubby tray there. And up top you have your map lights, sunglass holder, and your remote keyless entry system key here. And the gauges are not flashing, that's just in the camera when you get to a certain distance. So